Did you know that the US is made up of 50 states, with the smallest state being Rhode Island at 1,545 square miles? The United States is composed of 50 states, each varying greatly in size, population, geography, and culture. Rhode Island holds the distinction of being the smallest state in terms of land area, covering approximately 1,545 square miles. Despite its small size, Rhode Island has a rich history, being one of the original 13 colonies and known for its coastal beauty, historical sites, and vibrant culture. On the other end of the spectrum is Alaska, the largest state in the US, covering a vast area of approximately 663,268 square miles. Its size is truly staggering, as it's more than twice the size of Texas, the second largest state. Alaska's landscape is incredibly diverse, featuring stunning mountains, glaciers, forests, and a wealth of wildlife. Its sheer size also means it boasts a wide range of climates, from Arctic tundra in the north to temperate rainforests in the southeast. The contrast between Rhode Island and Alaska encapsulates the incredible diversity found within the United States. Each state contributes its unique characteristics to the nation's tapestry, offering a wide array of experiences and landscapes for residents and visitors alike.
Step into the realm of Roy's Academy, your portal to a universe brimming with knowledge and innovation. Here, every lesson is an adventure, every course a treasure trove of wisdom waiting to be unlocked. Embark on a comprehensive educational journey with our meticulously crafted courses. Delve into the core subjects of math, science, English, social studies, and computer science, tailored for students from classes 1 to 10, following CBSE and ICSE curriculums. Dive into Olympiad courses across a spectrum of disciplines and prepare for IIT NEET Foundation with focused classes from 6 to 10. Beckons Roy's Academy. Elevate your intellect with our brain development program, featuring Vedic and shortcut math, IQ booster, knowledge enhancer, and English concepts builder. Or polish your spoken English skills with comprehensive training in grammar, vocabulary, and more, all designed to foster fluency and confidence. Your quest for enlightenment is just a click or call away. Connect with Roy's Academy via WhatsApp at +91 8910890311. Ring us up at +91 8910600503 or download our interactive Android app Roy's Academy from Google Play Store. Explore infinite possibilities on our website https://roysacademy.com and join us on this odyssey where knowledge meets innovation. Roy's Academy, your complete e-learning solution.
Thanks for watching. If you like our videos, please subscribe our channel. For more videos, please press bell icon for instant notification.